Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will discuss the MCQs on the topic of plant material. So first of all, plant analysis is the determination of dash substances, chemical substances or physical substances. It will be chemical substances. Macronutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus or potassium, cobalt, phosphorus or potassium. It will be A. Micronutrients are zinc or gold or zinc or molybdenum. It will be A. In plant analysis, biologically or important organic compounds are amino acids and amino acids are hormones. It will be B. Pesticides are dieldrin, aldrin, malathion or all of these. It will be all of these. Heavy metal pollutants are cadmium or mercury or Pb or mercury. It will be second one. Oilseed rape has N concentration 36 or 37. It will be 36. Potato have K concentration 22, 26. It will be 22. Dry ashes involve combustion of dash organic matter, complete or incomplete. It will be complete. Moisture content in freshly harvested crops is between 80 to 90% or 8 to 80% or 8 to 90%. It will be 8 to 80%. Sample is dried at 107 degree or 105 degree. It will be 105 degree. The term ash refers to residue left behind after filtration or combustion. It will be filtration. Important nutrients required by the plants is 2 or 3. It will be 3. Plant requires appreciable quantity of nitrogen and K and nitrogen and P. It will be nitrogen and P. Sulfate deposited by plant by atmosphere or soil. It will be atmosphere. Nitrogen is determined by the process filtration or steam distillation. It will be steam distillation. Magnesium nitrate is used to prevent loss of sulfur or oxygen. It will be sulfur. One of the most important for plant growth is water or potassium. It will be potassium. K content around the aerial portion of flax is about 50 or 40. It will be 40. In bananas, the contents are 1300 or 1400. It will be 1400. Calcium level in plants are generally less than half of the potassium. 1/2 or 2/2. It will be 1/2. Acid soil receive calcium to dash the pH of soil. Decrease or raise, it will be raise. Magnesium in water is half than that of calcium or potassium. It will be calcium. Magnesium deficiency is noted in livestock feeding or none. It will be livestock feeding. Important indicator of farm product quality is nitrate or nitrite. It will be nitrate. Nitrate in food is strictly regulated because of its toxicity, or it will be definitely toxicity. Average human daily intake of nitrate is 95 or 90. It will be 95. Spinach, calorie radish has nitrate 200 से 300 or 300 से 400. It will be 300 to 4000. Sorry. The problem of accumulating NO3 negative is favor in vegetables or leafy vegetables. It will be leafy vegetables. Nitrate and nitrate are used in food as additive or destroyed. It will be additives. Long-term exposure to small NO3 negative and NO2 cause anemia, kidney disorder and both. It will be both. The adaptive daily intake of NaNO3 is the dash body weight 0 से 3 or 0 से 5. It will be 0 से 5. ADI is equal to 0 refers to adult food or baby food. It will be baby food. Indicator for fooder quality is NO3 or NO2. It will be NO3 negative. Toxic level of NO3 negative for animals. It will be 0.1 or 0.7. So answer will be B, 0.7. NO3 negative and NO2 negative are extracted in fresh water or marine water. It will be fresh water. Plant can transfer heavy metal content from soil to food web or food chain. It will be food web. Slightly acidic soil pH 5 से 5.6 और 5 से 6.6. It will be 5 to 5.6. उसके बाद copper could be dash toxic as zinc. It will be twice. Plant absorb heavy metals from soil or other plant. It will be a soil. Dash contain highest concentration of heavy metal. Stem or root, it will be root. Corn has dash phototoxicity. It will be low. Carrot has phototoxicity. It will be moderate. Radish has phytotoxicity. It will be high. Normal rate of mercury in plants 0 से 0.00 to 0.005 और 0.005 से लेकर 0.117. So answer will be B. Critical plant concentration of copper 20 से 50 और 20 से 100. It will be 20 to 100. Dietary tolerance for cadmium is 66 or 65. It will be 65. Metal content of food may be altered by, it is food. Altered by washing or processing, it is processing. Washing reduce pH as 90 or 80. It is 80. Washing reduce cadmium 50% or 20%. It is 20%. Metal concentration can be determined by flame atomic absorption spectrometry or flame atomic emission spectroscopy. So it will be a flame atomic absorption spectrometry. Thank you very much.